Business intelligence in NetSuite often starts with reporting, but quickly becomes a limitation. Safe searches grow complex, performance slows, and analytics get tied to specific tools that can't scale with the business. AI for NetSuite changes it. It creates an open governed data layer by extracting and structuring your NetSuite's data into a dedicated analytics environment. NetSuite remains your system of record while your data becomes a flexible system of insight, ready to be used across any reporting platform. That means you can use tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker without rebuilding your data model each time your strategy evolves. More importantly, AI for NetSuite is built for the next generation of analytics. It allows you to securely connect your data to any large language model, including ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, enabling natural language queries and AI-driven insights without vendor lock-in. At Guru Solutions, we help organizations move beyond reporting constraints and build scalable, AI-ready data foundations on top of your NetSuite. So connect with Guru Solutions today to take control of your NetSuite data and unlock a more flexible, future-proof analytics strategy.